Alright, today we got a part to try out on the 23 F250 Lariat. If you've ever been in a Super Duty, you've kind of seen these consoles, or in an F150. We've got a lot of space down in here, and most of the time they only give you this little tiny tray up here. So you don't really have a lot of space to store anything unless you want to reach deep down into this console. So I had a company called Muslogy reach out to me and asked me to test out this tray, which they've made to fit the Super Duty console for a 23, 24, and maybe some other different models. But really nice console tray. They've got these little rubber little things in here that cover the bottom of each tray area. Some of them have holes and slots, so you can actually run your wires through there if you have a cell phone or anything that you want to charge up. I know this one does. And that one's got a pass-through hole there. The console on the Super Duty's got some ports down there where you can run cords. Nice thing about this tray is it just slides right in. It doesn't really change the console. You don't have to cut anything, modify anything. And when you want to get back down there, you can just take it right back out. The lines on this console tray are almost perfect. They line right up. They've even got all the way around the back. These lines all the way around. That lets it sit in there real nice. The other neat thing is you see this little line right here. That allows you to put the factory tray back in, and you can still close the console without any problems. I also have tried their products. I didn't know before, but I tried it on my wife's 24 Honda Pilot. I'm going to have some Amazon links to this product at the end of the video in the description. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do purchase this product or any of the products I have a link to at the bottom, I may be compensated by Amazon if you purchase through my affiliate link. I really appreciate you watching my channel. To the point.